Today we're going to be reviewing linear equations. If we have an equation like our first problem, 4/5 x plus 8 equals 20, obviously when we're trying to solve, our goal is to get our variable, in this case x, by itself. So to do that, we're going to start by subtracting 8 from both sides, because again, remember, whatever I do to one side, I have to do to another to balance it. So then that'll give me 4/5 x is going to equal 12. Now I need to make the 4/5 go away, so to do that, I'm going to multiply by 5 over 4, because that'll cancel the 4's and the 5's. And since I multiplied by 5 over 4 on one side, to multiply by 5 over 4 on the other side. 12 and 4 cancel to 1 and 3, so I get that x is 15. Go ahead and hit pause on the video, solve the second one, and check your answer with mine in a second. Should have gotten that x equals 3 after we subtracted 9 from both sides and divided by 4. Hit pause and do the third one again. For letter C, we should have gotten x equals 4 after we added 41 to both sides, which gave us the 28, then divided by 7. So let's go ahead and take a look at a couple more examples, and then we're done for today. Okay, we're going to go ahead and try our last three examples. So if we have negative 3/5 x plus 1 equals 4, first we're going to start off by subtracting the 1 on both sides, giving me negative 3/5 x equals 3. And now I'm going to multiply by negative 5/3 to cancel, so negative 5 over 3. It's going to cancel those 3's. All of this stuff over here cancels. So we get x is equal to negative 5. Go ahead and do the other two and then check your answers with me in a second. For letter E here, the first thing we need to do is get our x's on the same side, so we subtracted 7x from both sides. How much work you show me is going to be up to you guys on a test or quiz. I need at least 1 or 2 steps so I can see what you were doing, but obviously you don't have to write out every single tiny one. If you want to add 5 or combine steps, you're perfectly okay. Go ahead and solve F if you haven't already done so. For letter F, we should have ended up with x being 2/5 or 0.4. Again, I will always accept fractions or decimals as long as your fractions are reduced. To start off letter F, we should have distributed the 3 and the negative 2, which gave us 15x minus 24 equals 2x minus 14 minus the 12x. Then I went ahead and combined like terms on the right side. So negative 2x and negative 12x gave me the negative 10x. Then I went ahead and did 2 steps in one, so I moved the 10x over to the left side, and I moved the 24 over to the right side at the same time, giving me 25x equals 10, divide both sides by 25, and we get 2/5. Tomorrow in class, you're going to have to do an assignment based on that. The problems are number 3 through 39 on page 21, and it should be due at the end of class. You should have plenty of time in 45 minutes to go ahead and get this done working in groups. If you have any questions on any of the problems we did, circle it and make sure you ask me before we get started. See you guys tomorrow.